Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it and discuss the market for today. Before we go further, guys, remember our disclaimer. Our video or our live streaming is for educational purposes only. And of course, we're not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it and discuss the main stocks for today. First of all, we got Z, Z, and B looking all right here. Good morning, Suzanne. Good morning, Anish. Yeah, ZNB, yes, and GLTO did a huge jump for today. The other one that we discussed yesterday, it was SPRB. It did a really good reversal right now. Yes, really good reversal. Before the market open, we have our reversal. This one, we already traded it yesterday. We already did a good update for it for our hunters here. SPRB. And we already took profit on it. It was a really great hunt yesterday. We exited right around the $150, and now in pre-market around the 230. Yes, one of the top gainers from yesterday. Let us just double check one thing. If we got new unicorn right now, GLTO number one, TMQ, COCH. Wow, we got a lot, man. COCH, we got ULY. Let's see this one, PCSA. Yeah, we got a lot of unicorns. Let us see the other BURU, 25%, jumping more for today. Yes, sir. Look at that. This one is majestic as well. BJDX still below the level. We got DVLT hitting profit taken as well, breaking out. CISS, yeah, we have a huge jump and dump after that. This one is critical, but TMQ looking great. TMQ, yeah, bumping up a little bit. We have a critical zone below the $10 to go to. If we held the 533 would be great. GLTO the same, 36. CTXR doing all right. ZNB doing fantastic here. I'm gonna check the other stock that we traded yesterday, like this one, SLDP. Yeah, this one as well. Valley, ARBK, pulling back. CRWV, BKKT, BTTC. Yeah, SERV did a really good job of jumping. It's going toward the $15, 15.77. But let us check the new ones like COCH. Yeah, the market was sleeping last month, now is active. The market is waking up, guys. The market is officially waking up. The last month was sleeping, now he's live and kicking. For my opinion, we got a huge market for today. COCH could be good after we break the 240. We got ULY, the same jumping, fantastic. Yes, it's kind of heavily shorted. It's getting near the $10 psychological level. I think we already got reverse split. Yeah, I think we had a reverse split for this one before. Yeah, I think we already got reverse split. Yeah, this one might be good. It's getting near the $10. PCSA is pulling back a bit here. But not all of them will be fantastic for today. I think we might have a pullback for some of them. Like ULY did a huge jump, so it's back to a pullback. GLTO 550%. What a crazy stock, guys. This one, it is majestic. For my opinion, it's really strong. Let us see. George want lag update. Before that, let us check Aman. Aman, if you are here, let me know. I will cover SERV for you. SERV, yes, we got nice jump, but now is testing a resistance almost around the 1570. It is getting a bit risky here because we might get shorted around the 16 and 18. But for the support to confirm, if we don't want to have a flush, yeah, we got a critical zone to hold over the 1460. If we held it as being good for today and the rest of the week to go toward the 16 and 18. Right now we have a resistance around the 1569. 1462 should be the support. The other thing we got TMQ down the TMQ. Aman, I think you heard me. So we covered SERV for you. Look really good in the big picture. Just watch out for the 1462 for a continuation for today. Otherwise, watch out for the dip around the 1340 and the 1260. For TMQ, look fantastic if we held the support down over the 541. Yeah, 541 or 535. Yes, 535 should be a great support. And for now, it's kind of overextended for me. Maybe we might go toward almost the $10 then flush down. So watch out. This one will be great and confirm that we have a big buyer if we held the 536. So it's high risk, high reward, because if you want to enter right now, you have to risk 23%. This is the strongest support. The other question we got C3 or AI. For AI, my friend, AI currently still holding the support to the 19 or the 1890. This is the current support. If we held it, we're gonna go toward at least the 21. Yes, the 21 will be a critical zone to test for AI. And after that, the 22, 27. So now just watch out for two supports. The first one, it is over the 19. The second one, it is over the 1830. Yes, two levels that we have to watch for AI to confirm that we're gonna go on the right direction up. Okay, now let us check George question. He said lac is not on our main list because yeah, it was top gainer before, but after that it pulled back. Lac, yes, lac looking all right. It broke the 980, and if it hold over the 820, we're gonna have a reversal toward the 10, 11, and maybe 13. If we didn't, we'll watch for the dip around the 750 and the 660 for entry. But so far so good for lac. As you can see here, we got many buyers. First buyer was on the 3rd of September. Second buyer was here on the at the end of September. Then we have on 3rd of October. Three buyers, critical buyers. Price went from $3, now is $8. Almost tripled. Anyway, this is for LAC. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hit the like button on the way in. Subscribe to our channel if you want to have update early on once we go live. In the meantime, we got a few stocks here to watch. ZNB got a reverse split. Yes, sir. That's why it is pretty active. Yeah, ZNB looking fantastic. We got GLTO still strong for today. We got CTXR, TMQ. TMQ is a bit dangerous. Okay, I'm gonna keep a few stocks here. I can't trade all of them. DVLT, BJDX, SPRB. This one is crazy from yesterday, guys. 1000%. It might be good for today. PURU looking great. Open still looking all right. Okay, we're gonna keep those main stocks on the list. 10 minutes left. Okay, guys, so let's get right to it. Who's ready? Who's ready for today markets? Let us check the other stocks here. Let's see. APLD for today, green. We got a huge buyer here today for APLD. Big buyer at the market open, I think. AMD currently getting near the all-time high. Plug is okay. SMCI getting really good. SMCI here recovering from the earnings, bad earnings that we got back. Mara the same, green yesterday 9% for Mara, right? 10%. Okay, Unity is still correcting down. The only one is in red is Unity. Ethereum is pumping still. We might have the 5K guys for Ethereum. This will be fantastic because Bitcoin have a new high around the 126 lately. Now we're missing Ethereum to go to all-time high again. So yeah, technically we have a new high for Ethereum. The last high was on 2021, now 2025 in August. Yeah, and now we waiting for another high around the 5,000. Yeah, we might have the test around the 5,000 if we broke the current resistance here. ZNB currently still trying. TMQ open. Yeah, we got 5 minutes left, guys. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left at the market open. Who's ready? Yeah, as we said, guys, the market is pretty active today. The market is on the steroid. Look at this one, man. 500%. Yesterday we have 1000% stock. So yeah, the market is active. Let's see if we're gonna have a continuation for this activity once the market opens. Sometimes the market is dying after the market open. ORBS. ORBS. Don't tell me this one just came right now. Nope. Yesterday 34%. Now it's just 13%. Yeah, it looked interesting because it recovered from the $8. But there's always a but. There's a strong seller around the 14, so we might test this level and pull back again. So watch out for the 14, 17. Yeah, it did a huge, humongous pullback, guys. This one pulled back from almost the $80 until the $8, 90%. Imagine 83 until the 8. From 80 until the 8. 90% drop. And of course, it jumped from the $1 until almost the $90 in just few minutes. Let's see how many in 8 hours, maybe. Yeah, 5,000%, guys, in 8 hours. Madness. Look at that. From, yeah, pre-market until, yes, before the market close. Before the market close, we have a huge drop. Yes. This is crazy stock. Yeah, thank you, brother, for bringing this one because it looked really interesting for a reversal right now. Yeah, looking juicy. Looking juicy, guys. Interesting. ORBS. Guys, this one really good catch. Emoji Trader, really good catch, man. Shout out to Emoji Trader. ORBS looking fantastic for today. If we, of course, broke the 14. Anyway, let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. GLTO trying to have a new high. This one have a reverse split as well. That's why it's around the 36. Yeah, have a humongous jump. We got ZNB pulling back, have a reverse split. We got a lot of stocks getting a reverse split lately, guys. Yes. Let's see, TMQ looking fantastic. If we held at the market open over the 647 would be great if we held here. TMQ. Yeah, maybe we might have a jump until the 850. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. One of the stocks that we already did alert for early on is CTXR, testing our breakout zone right now. This one is having a really nice breakout, 12%. We'd already discussed it when price was around the 134. And now is about to test the 157, our second target. We have some news. CTXR just established international access to LYMPHIR via named patient program in South European. Okay, this one related to us, guys. This one is hitting the Southern Europe market. And of course, this one is a pharmaceutical company related to eye health because Enco is related to eye problems. So now, yeah, we have a bit of struggle for CTXR to go over this resistant 157. So far, so good. Let me just show you in a big picture. We have kind of breakout from this white line, which is the resistant. Volume is picking up. I think we're gonna hit the 1 million in a few minutes from now. The second level that we have to test is the 157, but we already tested the first profit taken. We already did the short update for it, an update for the price target for it. As you can see here, we said the price first profit, of course, is around the 146. Already hit it in the pre-market. As you can see from this wick, we hit the 150 and we have a little pullback at the moment. And now looking all right to go higher again. And of course, have early this news entered exclusive distribution agreement with. So this is really good news because it's hitting European market for distributing or yeah, for the distribution agreement. So this is really good when the stock or the company hitting a new different market, not just focusing on just one market in the United States, but hitting Europe, Asia, and Africa. This is more demand for their product. So far, we're still below the 157. I will keep my eyes closed for CTXR because it looked really good after this pullback and this reversal. As you can see here, we kind of entered the first leg of bullish trend up. Focusing on 157 because if we broke it, we're going to have the 170, 190 for today and maybe the coming days. And GLTO, nothing much happening here for GLTO, guys. It's pulling back. ZNB is pulling back as well. Didn't have a breakout. TMQ testing the resistance, but to pull back. Open is pulling back, guys, as well. We might have a correction because the 696 is the current resistance. BURU pulling back, testing as support. ORBS holding. SR or SPRB is flushing down. I think is halted down. What else we got here? Nothing much. Yes, ULY is flashing down. So CTXR guys is still holding. We have double top, I think around the 150 now, but the 157 is the most important level to break. But we already hit the first profit taken for it around the 140, around the 147. Yes, yes, we said 146 on our Discord. GLTO, it might be good to watch, of course, to break the 3630. And yeah, because it's the top gainer right now. Okay, KMX, we have a huge reversal for KMX from red to green. KMX, it could be good for today, guys. We have to watch KMX to go toward the $50 for today. $50 should be a good level for KMX to go to. APLD, a bit in red, Tesla a bit in red, AMD reversing, plug is correcting down. Yeah, let's go back. CTXR still nothing. Yeah, ZMB, light on volume. Oh man, I think we got halted down for TMQ. We have a lot of haltation, guys, for mini stocks. Let us check. GLTO is halted. The SPRB is halted. ULY has halted down. Wow, GLTO I think is halted as well. 600 is halted up. Majestic jump for GLTO. CTXR currently still in the green. It's picking up momentum. Yes, S Ansari, please don't spam the chat, brother. Please, one is enough, man. Don't make it like 10. Please. Okay, Abhi, brother, do we buy GLTO here? GLTO is a bit risky, brother. Right now it is kind of overextended and plus is a bit dangerous after the haltation. LIDR, LIDR. Some of you ask about this. Yeah, CTXR is moving. ULY is halted down, so I'm gonna take it from the list. ARBK, the same. Soba is pulling back. Anyway, so LIDR, yes, looking all right, but it's a bit slow. CTXR, guys, we have a big buyer right now for CTXR. Is moving really good. If we tested the 157, would be great right now. I have a huge anticipation for this stock to do a majestic jump for today. GLTO, I think, is unhalted now or not. Let's see. No, still halted. ZNB broke the support, guys. Not good for ZNB, but still not completely bad. Checking. Yeah, BURU, I'm gonna put it on the main list because breaking out. CISS looking great, going up. Yeah, this is it. Let us go. CTXR testing a new high around the 151. Just a test, guys. TMQ pulling back. GLTO still halted. BURU, guys, is jumping. It's going toward the main resistance right now around the 35. Yeah, BURU, be on the lookout. It's getting strong with CISS. Yeah, it's just a test right now. CISS is just testing the ground. CTXR, the same, testing. Testing a new level. OMEX, Will Ederson. Again, shout out to Anish and Will Ederson to be one of our members on YouTube membership. And of course, shout out to my brother George, one of our supporter on Patreon and Discord. Thank you for the support, brother. So OMEX, let's check. OMEX. OMEX. Yeah, 13%. Yeah, it's a bit slow, man, but did a fantastic job of reversing. Not bad from huge, humongous dip. Look at that. It flushed down back here in September, almost 94%, and now reversing perfectly and gaining back what it lost. Now it reversed from the 30 cent, now $3, guys. This is madness. I think it's 3,000 reversal. No, 1,000% reversal. Wow. But it's going slowly, slowly. For now, just watch out for the 188 and 125 as a bottom if you want to go up without surprises. But I don't like it that much. Still watching CTXR for today, guys. One of the top stocks to watch. GLTO unhalted, guys, is unhalted. TMQ is still halted down. BURU jumping over the resistance. BURU, guys, it is the one right now. Adjusting the resistance and profit taken around the almost the 40 cents. BURU is number 2. GLTO, TMQ, still nothing. CISS did the really great job of reversing. So those the main stocks right now, guys. Open is not main stock anymore. It's pulling back. So we only have maybe, yeah, TMQ, this one, yeah, maybe later. But CISS, GLTO, BURU, and CTXR. Those the main event. Yeah, main event for today. They're always main event. GLTO is preparing. You are welcome, George. Thank you, man. What a day, man. I think GLTO is halted again, guys. Unbelievable. GLTO is halted again. We got other stocks been halted, BNBX and CHAI. Just double check if we got all of them. But yeah, guys, GLTO is halted now. Let's see. BNBX. There's something strange here. Data is not available for this. Anyway. B BNBX. What the hell is going on? BNBX. Okay. CTXR, guys, looking all right. Is still holding. BURU is halted. No, it's not halted. GLTO is halted around the 700%. And CISS looking fantastic right now, around the $4. And I think it's halted, guys. CISS. No, false halt. But yeah, it's getting near the 430. Fantastic job. Fantastic job so far. We got a request from our elite member. Can't, okay, Boet can hit the $16. Let's see. A man asked about Boet. I think we already discussed it early on this week, Boet. POET, $7. Yes, We have to break the 760. Don't think about the 17 or $13. But first, we have to break a critical zone around maybe the 760 first in order to go around the 990 after that. Those the level that you should watch out for, 760, brother. Major resistance. So once we break the 760, yes, we might go higher toward the 860 and then the 990. And the current three support that you should watch if we pull back is the 650, 580, and 530. Three main support that we should hold. The main one is the 657. If we held it, yes, we're gonna go up for both. CTXR is jumping 12%, going up. Yes, it rise. Chart of open is still okay, if only if, yeah, the 969 is the resistance. Support is still around the 783. Bottom should be around the 692. So yeah, technically nothing changed from open. CTXR still trying to go higher, guys, toward the 157. So far, so good. CISS tested the resistance for 30 and went down. GLTO still halted. PURU still holding the support and below the resistance. You are welcome, Etrice. You are welcome, my brother. Okay, George, ask about the last question. I don't think so, man. I think another question will come to your mind later on, but no problem. Navax supports around the 870 NVAX. I will check it. NVAX. You told me about it before, I think. Yeah, you already talk about NVAX. Yeah, you actually interested of the dip for NVAX, I think. Now is around $9. Yes, we got interesting support around the 820. Yes, 820 is the current support right now. Current resistance, we have almost yeah, it is interesting. Yes, we have the 1030 as a resistance and profit taken. If it pull back, watch out for the 818 and the 726. Yeah, and the bottom 625. We have three levels. Three levels to go to for NVAX if you're interesting for the dip. Why you say no, man? Ul Anderson, OMEX. I think we already cover OMEX. Let's check again. OMEX. $3.14 is current resistance, support 188, and bottom 125. We have the 423 and the 545 as a level to go to. Still waiting for this one to go higher some more. CTXR. BURU, nothing much, is pulling back. GLTO is pulling back down. It might get halted down now. CISS number one got halted up, guys. CISS is the one to watch now. Did really great job of reversing and breaking out. The rest is history. Maybe DVLT would be great as well. Yeah, look okay, DVLT. But yeah, CISS, guys, just broke the resistance. We're gonna update the level for it later on Discord. As usual, we always do update on the unicorn hunt. If you don't know, guys, we always do update on our Discord channel. But let us check now the main gainers for today. Yeah, GLTO, TMQ, ZNB, CISS, CPRP, BJ, DX, ULY. Yeah, we got all of them, I think, covered. Yeah, this one need a bit of time. See, TXR need a bit of time. It might have a breakout from the 157 later, but we already hit our profit taken before the market opened, guys, for this one. CTXR, nothing much. BURU, nothing much. Yeah, BURU is pulling back. GLTO is pulling back. CISS is halted up, guys, exactly around the 492. DVLT, the same. Open is pulling back. I think we have a little support for open over the 864. We'll see if we're gonna hold it. Yeah, we have a little bit of pullback, guys, from the market. A little bit of pullback. Okay, we still waiting for CISS to get unhalted. This one did the really good, the nice breakouts. We have a fake out here for it in the pre-market, I think. And now we have the right buyer. We jumped already, how much here? Yeah, 50%. GLTO is pulling back, BURU pulling back, CTXR pulling back. DVLT looking all right, is jumping up. So now DVLT and CISS are the strongest. Okay, LAC is jumping. We got BURU and LAC. What's going on with BURU and LAC? LAC, yeah, it's jumping, but still below the resistance. Uh, BURU, of course, jumped, but now it's pulling back. APLD to the 35, yes, sir. APLD toward the 34, not 35, but have to break the country resistance around the 29.90. Yeah. There is 2 or 3 Fed speaker that will speak at 10. So the market is cautious and there is important data coming at 10 economic optimistic index. Thank you, George, for let us know. Yeah, we have a bit of cautious on the markets. That's why we have a little bit of pullback. So guys, we're gonna do update later on for many stocks because now GLTO, URU, and CTX are pulling back. The only one that jumping is CIS and DVLT. Do update chart for them on Discord and Patreon. So guys, put the notification on if you are one of our members on Discord or Patreon because we're gonna update the level for those stocks later on. And of course, see you back by tomorrow, as usual, 30 minutes before the market to continue the hunt. So subscribe, put the notification on in order to be notified once we go live. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all.